Assalamu alaikum students, that is question number 7 of exercise 13a, and in the given figure we need to find the value of area and perimeter. That is basically a composite figure. If we will observe that figure, if we are going to observe this figure, that is a composite figure. So by observing this composite figure, we can see the whole figure is a rectangle and few parts, they are the circular parts, and they are going to subtract from this, they are removed from this rectangle. So they are asking for the perimeter, and what will be the perimeter? So perimeter for that figure must be that shaded part. These parts are the perimeter of the figure. It's mean this part, this part, this line, these are the straight parts, and few of the circular parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are the circular parts, and then 4 parts we are having as a straight line. So by observing this, we have to construct the formula first, and then we are going to find the value of a perimeter. For the perimeter of a circle, we can say that is pi d for the whole circle, and for the perimeter of circle will be 2 pi r. So these are the two formula. Now by using this, we are having the radius, that is r. The radius is 2 meter in the given figure, and r is 2 centimeter. Pi has its own value, so we can say 2 pi r, it will be the 2 pi, and then r will be the 2 here, 2 meter. And then the construction of the formula will be, if we can say a, b, c, d, e, f, g, and that is h. These are the vertices of this composite figure. So we can say the distance between AB plus the circular part, then CD, then again EF, and then again we are one more, that is GH. These are the straight line, and then after the straight line, the perimeter is included these circular parts. All the circular parts are having the similar diameter or the similar radius. So if the radius of this part is 2 meter, and the radius of this part is 2 meter, and this part is also 2, and this part is also 2 meter, if we will join all these 4 circles, these are the quarter of the circle, then we will get the whole circle. The 4 part of the circle, when we will join 4 part of the circle, then it will be the whole circle. So the formula for the whole circle is 2 pi r. So for AB, for the total perimeter, AB, what is AB? The total is 9. The total is 9, and when we are subtracting 9 minus 4, then it will be what? It will be 5 meter. Then it will be also 5 meter. That is 3, and that is also 3. For AB, that is AB, that is 5 meter. Then plus, then what is CD? CD is 3 meter. Then EF is also 5 meter. Then plus, that is also 3 meter. And then we are having 2 and the value of pi and the r according to the given circular portion, that is 2 meter. Then by adding all these, we will get the answer. The answer will be 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 will be 16 meter, and then plus 2 pi r, that will be 4 pi, and that is in meter. तो ये हो गया आपके पास, and the final answer is 28.566 meter. That is the total perimeter of the given figure. Let me repeat: this one, this circular part, this one, then this circular part, this one, then this circular part, this one, and then this circular part. We are having 4 circular parts. So by adding all those 4 circular parts, we can get the whole circle. So the answer for the perimeter of the total composite figure is 28.566. Now we are having the area of the figure. For the area, it is very simple. The whole figure is rectangle. For the rectangle's area, we are having formula length into breadth, and one of the circle we are going to subtract from this because we are having 4 parts of the circle, and when we will join all 4 parts of this quarter of the circle, it will be form one of the complete circle. So from one of the whole rectangle we are subtracting one of the whole circle. So for the area of the circle we are having pi r square. So that is very simple. For the required area, we can say L into B minus pi r square. So L, what is the L? The whole length. The whole length will be L. So L is equals to 9 meter. We can say that L is equals to 9 meter. And what will be the B? This length must be B. B is 2 plus 3 plus 2. 5, 6 and 7. B will be 7 meter. So B can be 7 meter here. And for R is clearly 2 meter. Now we need to put the values. L is 9 meter. Then B is 7 meter. And then we need to subtract pi. And R is 2 meter square. Then it will be 63 meter square plus 4 pi m square. So 63 meter square minus 4 pi m square will be 50.4336 meter square. That is the answer for the required area. So these are the two answers related to this question. The question is very simple, but you need to make a formula for the composite figure. These are the two solutions of a given question.